Alright everybody, this week for our grab and go bag, we're going to be making little houses you might find in fairy tales. Maybe princesses live there, maybe a fairy lives there, you know, there's no telling. So, but in this bag, you're going to have 2 sheets of paper. Don't know what color it's going to be, it's going to be mixed up colors. And you're going to have a paper plate. And some things that you're going to need at your house is some scissors. And you're going to want some kind of glue, or even some tape, okay? And then something to color your house with. I am choosing colored pencils today. So now, first thing we need to do is make sure that we have a flat side to our house because we don't want it rolling around. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is cut a bottom right there. I'm going to make mine about right here. I'm going to cut across just like that. Alright, there. Now my house is not going to roll everywhere. And for my house, I'm kind of wanting to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to cut this little part right here off. Okay. Now, do you have to do this? No, you do not. You can do it however you want to. This is your house. I'm just kind of showing you how I like to do mine. There. So, I'm going to put this away. Now for the top of my house, see, it's all nice and good. And I'm going to use this green paper to make the top of my house. Now mine's going to kind of probably look like a mushroom a little bit, and that's okay. If you would like to make yours into a square, triangle, just whatever. And that's not a very good half circle. That's okay. So I'm going to cut this out, of course, just however you want to do it. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now I'll just use that side. Now, something we're going to need to do is, of course, glue it. So we're going to put some glue up here at the top. Just like this. And we don't want to use too much. We just want to use just enough to make it stay. Okay, so here we go. And there. Now, make sure it stays just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to use some of this paper to make a door for my house, I think. Just that. And once again, just get a little bit of glue. Don't need much. Just like that. Or tape, like I said. If you're using tape, that's alright too. So, there. Now I have my little door. Now, I'm also going to make I'm going to make a doorknob. You got to have a doorknob for your door. There we go. I should have done that before. There we go. Now, make some windows. I'm going to make circle windows. You know, sometimes you see that. Okay. There we go. Make one over here. Kind of makes it to where the house looks like it has eyes, doesn't it? There we go. Now, I'm also going to put some here. Make square ones up here though. Just like that. Now let's see, a little something to finish my house off. I think I'm going to try and make some flowers up here. There we go. Make one there and make one there. Of course, I could do it all the way around if I wanted to. Now I'm kind of make it to where they connect. And maybe you want to put some down here or across there. You could even draw some people there if you want to. Just however you like to do your little house. Okay. Now,